In the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most gracious and most merciful. Your message is unity. Your message is clear. Your insight is great. Your attention is sincere. You are called a legend. You are poet of East. Your word have wisdom. My judgment is least. Respected President, teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu Alaikum. Today, I am going to say something about a personality who has no need to praise, who is unique in his capacity as a poet, who is rare in his circle as a philosopher, who has no alternate as a great thinker, and who presented everything in the shape of poetry. I am talking about Dr. Allama Iqbal. When he was born, the Muslim of subcontinents were plunged into the depth of darkness. He presented the message of unity, dignity, and passion. All were wondering, he collecting the all were helps, he stopped them to fall. He took a case, he worked for others. He awaked the people, he lived for others. By saying these and raising the slogans, लेके रहेगा पाकिस्तान, बढ़ के रहेगा हिंदुस्तान, लेके रहेगा पाकिस्तान, बढ़ के रहेगा हिंदुस्तान, हम सबका है ये ईमान, बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान. Allama Iqbal continued to awake the soul of Muslim by writing the poetry of freedom. Pakistan came into existence as a practical shape of Iqbal's dream. Iqbal alive no more to see the interpretation of his fantastic dream. The heartbeat of the billions of Muslims stopped on 21st April 1938. I want to end my tribute in these words. He who does the extraordinary never die. He who stood the unideal never cried. His name remains forever. He became a legend. He radiates his shiny rays. He became a diamond. He never gets rid as 6 or 7. He was buried in grave. His soul stays at the heavens. Thank you.